Hi, I'm Emily, and today I'm going to be making one of my favorite sandwiches, which is a mozzarella, tomato, and prosciutto, and mortadella sandwich on focaccia.
Everything is better when we're cooking together, yeah.
So this is a sandwich that I ate like 15 years ago, and it just was life-changing in the moment that I ate it.
I had a really nice sandwich from a bakery. That one was just the bread with prosciutto, tomato, and mozzarella, and it was just so delicious, and the tomato was juicy, and the bread had so much olive oil that it was already like delicious and perfect. And it was just a fantastic sandwich. And so I wanted to share that with my friends. I wanted to share the joy of this sandwich because I think about it all the time.
This is my version. It's got a little bit of extra stuff in it. So for this sandwich, I have focaccia, some nice lovely focaccia cut in half. I have mortadella, which is one of my favorite deli meats. This is not from the original sandwich that this was inspired by. I just love mortadella, and I felt like I needed to add a little something, a little Emily signature on this. I have gorgeous prosciutto. This is like a kind of nutty, fruity, like pretty aged prosciutto. And then I have fresh mozzarella. Whoa. A gorgeous beefsteak tomato that I have done a very medium job cutting. And then in here, I'm gonna tilt this and show you, I have a combination of olive oil, red wine vinegar, basil, microplaned garlic, and some Calabrian chilies. And then I'm gonna give this a little crush. Ooh, splash. That was a little vigorous there. And I don't want to get this too mushed. It's just, I just want to combine it really. So, gorgeous. And then that'll be my sauce for my sandwich.
I love this sandwich because it's like, it really showcases nice ingredients. I think it's a sandwich that really only works if you have great bread, great prosciutto, like a nice tomato, and some fresh mozzarella. But if you have those things, you got yourself a sandwich, you know? I honestly, by adding prosciutto and mortadella and the herb sauce, I've gone way overboard. You could do so much less and still have a really great sandwich.
So I'm gonna take my focaccia, peel my meats back here. I probably should have a separate plate for this in retrospect, but so here's what I'm gonna do. On the bottom of my sandwich, I'm gonna put a little olive oil. Then I'm gonna go tomato because I actually want to sog up the sandwich just a little. I like it with a little bit of wetness on the bread because I don't want to be like chewing in like a way that hurts. I guess I have TMJ, but that's that's neither here nor there. We're gonna go mozzarella, herb sauce, and I'm gonna use that to line the top of my sandwich. And add a little more olive oil, why not? And then I am going to put my mortadella down, my prosciutto, very generous with the meats. Unlike Arby's, I have the meats. And I'm actually gonna do this, and maybe just do a little bit of seasoning in here too, because why not? It deserves it. A little more salt on my tomato, a little pepper, chef snack. Mortadella. 1, 2, 3. And that's my favorite sandwich. I love you. She's so beautiful.
Everything is better.